flying so high, touching the clouds in the big blue sky. B is for balloon, red, green, and blue. Do, floating up high, can you see them too? Nix. C is for cat, with a tiny bell, running and jumping, oh, he fell. D is for dinosaur, roaring loud. D walks in the jungle, big and proud. E is for elephant, spraying water fun, bathing in the river under the sun. F is for fish, shining and bright, swimming in the ocean, what a sight. G is for garden, with flowers all day, butterflies dance and bees come to play. H is for helicopter, round and round, buzzing above, what a sound. I is for ice cream, yummy and sweet, cold and creamy, my favorite treat. J is for jungle, green and wide, Super 8, monkeys and parrots swing and glide. K is for kangaroo, jumping fast, hop, 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 he's never last. L is for lamp, shining bright, giving us light all through the night. M is for moon, glowing so high, watching the stars sparkle in the sky. N is for nest, cozy and round, 3 baby birds making sound. O is for octopus, with arms so long, he waves and wiggles all day long. P is for panda, black and white, eating bamboo with pure delight. Q is for queen, wearing her crown, smiling and waving to everyone in town. R is for rainbow, color so bright, painting the sky after the light. S is for sun, shining on all, keeping us warm, big and tall. T is for train, chugging away, toot toot, we're off today. U is for umbrella, open wide, keeping us dry while we hide inside. V is for volcano, glowing red, boom smoke rising overhead. W is for whale, singing deep, in the ocean where secrets sleep. X is for xylophone, music so clear, A, ding dong, play it here. U is for yarn, soft and neat, kitten plays with it, how sweet. C is for zoo, come along, so many